Hello! In this video we are going to consider the time duration that we require to be a millionaire with a certain condition. This video is about logarithm and how we can use logarithm to solve real lifestyle questions. First of all, let's imagine that you have $100 and you have a super skill. You could increase this amount of money by 10% every month. So let's consider the example. The first month you have $100, the second month you have $110. So you have to multiply by 1.1. 100 multiplied by 1.5, it is $110. And then the next month, this amount of money, I mean the last amount of money, $110, must be multiplied by another 1.1. So now it is 121. And the question is, how many months do we need to make from $100 1 million? So we can construct this function. We will come back to this function a bit later. First of all, let's introduce the concept of logarithm. How logarithm is actually come to our life. We can say that 2 in power 1 is 2, 2 in power 2 is 4, 2 in power 3 is 8, and what power give us 5 if the base is 2? This is a question. First of all, we know that the 5 locates between 4 and 8, and 4 it is 2 squared, right? 2 squared, and 8 is 2 cubed. And what power we have to put here to get 5? Probably it's something about 2.2. Now let's introduce the definition of logarithm. This is a definition of logarithm. If b in power x is equal to a, then x is equal to logarithm a in base b. This is the exact answer. For this case, using this definition of logarithm, we can say the exact answer. So 2.2 is our approximate answer, right? And the exact answer is going to be logarithm 5 in base 2. And now you can use calculator to estimate the value of x. Okay, now let's turn to the practice part. Let's solve several questions. Question number 1. How to find x in this case, exact value of x? So please use the definition of logarithm. Maybe you can stop the video and solve, and then I will show the answer. Yes, x is equal to logarithm, according to the formula, 5 in base 3. Let me underline the base. So this is a base, 5, and 5 is a. Okay, so that's why the answer is a. Correct answer is a. Question number 2. Given that logarithm 27 in base 3, and we should find this value. So to solve this equation, we have to convert into exponential form. So 3 at what power give us 27? We know that the 27 is 3 cubed. So now our bases are equal. It means that the question mark is equal to 3. So the 3 is a power. So 3 is our logarithm. So we have to put 3 here, and the 3 is the answer, B. Next question, number 3. So what power we have to erase 5 to get 1? Similar way, we know that the 5 in power 0 give us 1. Any number in power 0 give us 1. So the final answer here is B, 1. Okay, now it's time to connect our definition of logarithm and real life questions. So when we will become a millionaire? This is the main point of this video. Okay, so first of all, let's construct our equation of the function. So our function equation is this one. So where x it is number of months. So if x is equal to 0, let's say x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, then our y is going to be 10, 100, 1.1 in power 0, so it is 100. Actually, this point is here, so it is initial point. Initially, we have $100. Okay, now we should equate our amount of money, our goal. This is our goal, and with this function. So let's solve the equation. So that's 100 times 1.1 in power t is equal to 1 million. Now we should solve this equation. Let's divide both sides by 100. Let's simplify. And let's use our definition of logarithm. So t will be equal to logarithm 10 thousandths in base 1.1. So 1.1. Using the calculator, we'll obtain that the value is approximate value 96.63. So we need 96 months to become a millionaire. So if we will divide by number of months in a year by 12, we will get 8.05. So we need 8 years to become a millionaire. So it's not so challenging, right? So here is 8. Technically, it's not so challenging. Only you need the skill, super skill, to make 10% every month. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, press the like, share with classmates. See you in the next video. Goodbye. Thank you.